Travel Agent Portal demo. It's just a quick run through to show you the features and how easy it is to use the system. So I'll just quickly log in here. Okay, so this is your landing page, your home page. Look at me, I've got 80 points already. So this is my reward scheme. This shows you points, and this is a user-based reward scheme. We do company-based rewards, but that's on a per travel agent basis and can happily be discussed anytime. So this is a quick run through. This shows you how it works, how you earn your points, what the point value is. And once you get to 100 points, you get £15, and a little button will appear here where you can claim your points. FAQ, general contact numbers and things like that to get hold of us if there's any problems. Sales figures, I mean this can be done on individual basis, or it can be done on a company basis, so you have full control over that, and these are the points that have been earned. And then further up here we've got tabs to make our bookings. We've got a transaction history which shows previous purchases and whatnot, and your user management. So if we just quickly run through, if we make a booking, so we've got airport parking, port transfer, port parking, airport transfers and airport lounges. This is coming soon, but this just gives you a little insight of what you'll be getting. So here we go. This we'll just do a quick search for parking at Gatwick. We'll just pick some dates at random. So there we go. So we've got our results here. We can decide if the customer wants meet and greet. We can filter it just to show the meet and greet ones, just the park and ride. No park and rides on this one. No on sites on this one also. Let's go ahead and make a booking for Gatwick. There we go. So this account is currently using credit card payments. We can quite happily set up an account so that you can use monthly invoicing and that sort of thing, rather than having to make a card payment each time. Obviously just fill in all your detail, all your customer details there. Fill in the card details should you be using the card system, as this one is. Make a booking, and once done it'll tell you it's complete. You can go into your transaction history where your booking will appear. You can click on edit, and if you want to change anything about any details about the customer or the car, you perhaps have picked a different car, so you can just change the registration here or the number of passengers, so it's contact out to 1, something like that. Just press amend transaction, and then there you go, transaction was successfully amended. You just close that and go back into it. You can also resend your email confirmation as well, just by putting the customer's email in there or your email in there and sending it on. Okay, let's go back to make a booking. So we also have port parking, UK ports, Spanish ports, Italian, and one in Holland as well. So we've got airport transfers, which is a new feature. We've got thousands of products across Europe, well, across the world actually now. So if we just pick one random, so we'll go from Ibiza airport, popular destination, to the city centre. We'll just pick any date really. If we just make it for a couple, let's see what we've got. So we've got a shuttle from Plus Group. There's all your details in there. Quite often there'll be multiple transfer types for the various routes that we've got, whether it be minibuses, scheduled buses, taxis, limos, that sort of thing. So it varies on the customer's destination where you want to book. But again, simple form, depending on what setup you've got, card or invoiced payment system, make a booking, and then that will go through there. And then we've got airport lounges. This will be ready and working and available to you within the next month or two, I should think, but we'll make an announcement about that. So if we just pick an airport lounge, just to give you an example of how this works, pick your dates, again we'll make it for a couple, search and see what we get. There we go, lots of different options, nice photographs to go with it. Okay, so if we go to user management, Here you'll have a list of all your users and the various roles that they have. You can set them to different levels. So the basic it would be a user for an individual use. Advanced user can view multiple accounts for call center users and that sort of thing. And then you've got your manager, who's in charge of the users, points, transactions, etc. And then admin, who is the master controller of sort of all the roles within the user management. You can create your own users, you don't have to go through us, so you can create as many users as you like and set them up as whatever role you want to have them in at. And that's all done by you. You can export them to CSV should you need to. And it really is as simple as that. So in 5 minutes I've shown you the full system, how it works, how you can edit, how you can add users, how you can find parking or transfers or lounges. Any questions, drop us an email or give us a call. Thanks for watching.